Oh, hey, you're here for the video? You're gonna learn how to make a flower arrangement? Awesome. I can't wait for you to come along on my journey today. We're going to be making a Memorial Day themed arrangement. I have two different vases and there'll be two different videos. So make sure that you like, subscribe, and follow on both of them. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and following on my last video. It was a great success, as you got to see how Mother's Day was for me. And for this video, we are actually going to focus on Memorial Day or 4th of July. You can do both, as the theme is going to be red, white, and blue. I went to Michael's this morning and I picked up this cute little vase, which is ceramic, and it's a truck. Who doesn't love it? So as you can see in the bed of the truck, I actually put some chicken wire. This will actually form our arrangement, which I'm super psyched about, instead of using Oasis foam. I prefer to use the chicken wire because Oasis foam actually is not good for the environment, nor is it good for your health. I'm asthmatic, and breathing in the Oasis foam dust over time, I wind up getting a lot of allergies from it. And it's not something that you really want to breathe in. So when I can, I choose to use a chicken wire or a cage. I actually put the chicken wire in here, which I'll show you. I should have actually made a video of it, me cutting it and putting it in. I did make this super snug, that way the flowers won't move around. But the bed of the truck actually goes all the way up into here. So I made sure to put the chicken wire big enough. So we're gonna be using Pomosa, which will be a great base. It's a variegated Pomosa, and you can see how it's got the white in it, which I thought would be great to finish out this look here. I will be using a floral knife today. I suggest you use shears unless you truly know how to use a floral knife. Floral knives are something that you learn over time. It does take a little bit of time to learn how to use them, but once. All right, so I'm just taking off these lateral pieces. Pomosa has a great smell to it. It's almost like a lemony smell. When you stick greens or any type of flowers into your vase with water, you want to make sure that the leaves are actually off, because what happens is the leaves, once they are in the water, will create bacteria, which will kill your flower arrangement so much faster. So I'm starting at the base of the truck, and you can already see how it's filling up with just two. And you want to kind of go in on an angle and things. So that was just with one piece of Pomosa. Now in my Trader Joe's package, it came with a total of 4 stems. So actually I can make 4 arrangements. So it's really cool how you can continue using things throughout. I'll be able to probably make a few more arrangements just with the flowers I picked up. For this arrangement, I'm going to be using roses. So these roses are actually a standard grocery store rose. They are called a Freedom Rose, and I thought that was fitting for our theme here. I'm looking on the rose for any petals that look like they were damaged in transport, and you truly don't want to take off too many petals. If anything, I would probably just take this curled one off, but honestly, I like the character it gives, so I'm gonna leave it. When flowers come through transport from Colombia, they wind up with a guard shield rose, and you'll see a lot of them stay on the flowers, especially if you go to specialty shops, because we don't want the flowers that are in the bucket to continue to bruise. So we're gonna leave the guard shield petals on until you get to the counter, and the florist will actually then take them off. So that's something cool. I'm gonna make this arrangement, and we are starting with the top rose. He's a little tall here, actually. Nope, he's perfect. So I just start with the top, and I'm actually gonna form outwards. And this one here, I personally like to leave the leaves on, but this one here has a little bit of leaves towards the bottom. And I see where this one has that little bit of browning. I'm gonna take that off. That's the guard shield rose. This one looks okay, but I'm gonna fluff them out, and all I'm gonna do is blow in the center of the rose and fluff them out. Look and see if there's any holes that you can see. Like I can see, if you look just right at it, you can see the chicken wire. So I'm gonna fill that with some Pomosa, which is a good reason why to always have some on hand. And that is our cute little Memorial Day truck, Memorial Day themed truck, or 4th of July themed truck. Like I said, you could do this with mini carnations, you could do this with regular carnations, blue thistle, anything red, white, and blue themed. Like, subscribe, share, and I hope to see you in the next video. We're going to be making another 4th of July or Memorial Day themed arrangement. See you then. To be learning how to make a Memorial Day themed arrangement. I actually have 2 different style vases, and we're going to do both of them, and this is really a shitty video, but I'm still doing this. What the heck? Breathing. You still see me? Ow. It's just Hey, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and following me. Please remember to leave comments and any questions. I do get back to you guys. This week we are going to be making a Memorial Day themed arrangement. Actually, there's gonna be 2. So make sure that you like this one and you like the next video and share with your friends because I would like that. Okay, so